we're gonna walk to the site because the road is so muddy that even cars and trucks can't go. It has been raining so much and that really came with its own challenges, but we're not giving up. So we're walking there today to see how everything is going, and we're praying for a bit more sun so that trucks can go with sand and stones so that we can continue, because the process has been a bit slow now. Like the work has been delaying a little bit because we're dependent on the weather. Here we are at the site. As for now, we're at the stage of the lentil. That means it's like the upper part of where windows would come and the last phase before the roof comes. So I'll show you how that looks like. We are still receiving donations because once the roof is there, we will be starting with windows and doors and electricity and water. And we're still, getting money together. There are beautiful fundraisings happening too. I'll put all the information here below.